Siguro naman lahat sa inyo nakakaalam tungkol sa recommend din ng YouTube, 'di ba? Yun yung makikita mo yun sa gilid ng screen mo. Madalas ito ay based on sa mga pinapanood mo na videos lately. So kung ikaw ay recently nanonood ng mga cooking videos, matik na yan, lalabas yan sa recommended mo ng mga iba't ibang klaseng cooking videos rin. Kung nanonood ka naman ng Minecraft, yun din syempre ipapakita sa gilid. Or kahit hindi Minecraft, basta pasok siya sa category na kung ano man yung pinapanood mo. Bakit ko nga ba sinasabi sa inyo to lahat? Well, may kukwento kasi ako. One day, I was just minding my own business sa YouTube. Siyempre, wala naman akong magawa kung ano na lang pinag-search ko. Mga ganitong opportunity, kinukuha ko ito para makahanap ng panibagong music na para hangaan ko or pakinggan ko na ilang beses na paulit-ulit hanggat sumasawa ako. Ako kasi mahilig ako sa mga kanta. Kahit anong genre pa man yan ibigay mo sa akin, basta gusto ko, uulit-ulitin ko talaga yan. Kaso, may natuklasan ako ng something out of the ordinary, something that is quite off compared to the songs that I've compiled. Something that is so blue.
When Sunny Gets Blue.
When Sunny Gets Blue, written by Marvin Fisher and Jack Segal. Or Segal, hindi ko lang sure kung paano pronounce. Nag-research ako ng onti about sa song na ito. Isa daw ito sa mga kanta na parang naging base nila or standard pagdating sa paggawa ng jazz songs. Like, isipin nyo, dahil sa kanta na ito yung parang naging trend or naging inspiration, kumbaga, sa mga jazz artists kung paano sila gagawa ng jazz song. Like, let's say, kung based on sa kanta na ito, ganito nila ginawa, ito yung chord sa una, sa pangalawa, pero palitan natin ng onte para hindi naman natin gayahin yung kanta nila. Yun yung kanta na ito. Pero I'm not here to talk about jazz composition and jazz history itself. I'm here to talk about this specific song covered by Mel Tormé. Or Tormé. Hindi ko alam. Si Melvin Howard Tormé, isa siyang American musician, singer, composer, arranger, drummer, actor. Wow, ang dami. Pati author. Basta si Melvin, isipin niya malupit yan. Isa siyang jazz singer. As Will Friedwald would say, isang well-known music critic at author. Tormé works with the most beautiful voice a man is allowed to have, and he combines it with a flawless sense of pitch. As an improviser, he shames all but 2 or 3 other scat singers and quite a few horn players as well. So technically, yan na yung basic description about Mel Tormé when it comes to his jazz singing.
Since that sad affair.
Now, let's talk about the song. Well, about the song, I can't tell much about it kasi there's only little to no information about this specific video or yung itong video na to na pinapakita ko sa inyo ngayon. As far as I can tell, this video to me is just very damn beautiful. I can't help but think of an original idea. An idea so original na feeling ko, pag kinuha ko tong luma tong kanta na to, tapos gawin kong Lofi HipHop, feeling ko ako pa lang yata ang makakagawa nun eh. Tapos gagawa ko ng Lofi HipHop tutorial on how to make Lofi HipHop. Parang sobrang original ng idea na yun, na feeling ko ako pa lang so far ang nakakaisip nun. Okay, sige, jokes aside. Imbes na magiging how to make Lofi HipHop tutorial ito, tulad ng ilang thousands of videos na nagawa on how to make Lofi HipHop. Itong video na to, magiging how to make a beautiful old song to a cool and bopping song. Yan. So first, I loaded up the song sa program ko. Gave it a listen muna a couple of times. What caught my attention was the chord structure. Every time napapakinggan ko, di ko alam but it just makes my head bobbing. Like, kada papakinggan ko yung kanta, wala lang, napapasway lang ako na, okay, medyo nag-groove ako, nararamdaman ko na yung beat. Di ko lang kung nangyayari sa inyo, pero sa akin nangyayari yun sa lahat ng songs yata. So with that, tinry ko sundan at hanapin yung pattern ng kanta. Na, ewan ko kung blessing ba to or cursed na basta bigla na lang ako napapasway kada may papakinggan ako ng kanta na okay, pwede siya maging parang lagyan ng beat tapos tapos yun, tinry ko sundan yung structure ng kanta. As habang pinapakinggan ko, may nakita na akong pattern. So feeling ko, etong part na ito, pwede ko siyang ulit-ulitin sa kanta eh. So I came up with this. I was feeling confident naman sa nagawa ko dito na okay, medyo meron na siyang pattern, medyo paulit-ulit na siya. So pwede na siya parang gawing hip-hop song. Feeling ko possible na mangyari to. So yun, I was getting confident. The next thing for me to do was, add a little bit of magic. I added some drums. Para ramdam ko na talaga yung pag-bop niyang kanta. Very simple drums na namin ginawa ko. Yung pinili ko na drums, yung hindi siya perfect quality. Yung parang, pagka pinakinggan mo, makaluma siya. Para pareho siya sa feel ng kanta na, may pagka-vintage niya. So ngayon, ramdam ko na talaga yung kanta. Ngayon na may beat na siya. My head was maximum bopping. Next thing for me to do is, I think, the most important and semi-final part sa song. And that is adding Mel Tormé's heavenly voice.
Like all things, but when does the music go away?
And I added some small stuffs pa and I came up with this. So, ito na yung kanta. I hope you guys enjoy the song and yan, ito na yung kanta. Peace out.
When sunny gets blue, her eyes get gray and cloudy. Then the rain begins to fall. When sunny gets blue, breathe a sigh of sadness. When sunny gets blue, like the wind that stirs the tree. When sunny gets blue, breathe a sigh of sadness. When sunny gets blue, like the wind that stirs the tree. When sunny gets blue, breathe a sigh of sadness. When sunny gets blue, an haunting melody. When sunny gets blue. Sunny gets blue, breathe a sigh of sadness. When sunny gets blue, like the wind that stirs the tree. When sunny gets blue, breathe a sigh of sadness. When sunny gets blue, like the wind that stirs the tree. When sunny gets blue, breathe a sigh of sadness. When sunny gets blue, like the wind that stirs the tree. When sunny gets blue, breathe a sigh of sadness. When sunny gets blue, like the wind.